These are heavy-duty snaps, ideal for bags and clothing, things like that. These heavy-duty snaps come in 5 different metal colours, contain everything you need in the starter kit, including the little tools. There are 4-part snaps, and of course you can get replacement snaps and then a tool set to go with them. The resealable packaging means that they're very easy to keep and store. So snap the back first, just to ease open the pack, and then you can slide it off. On the back of the packet are all the instructions for use. I'm going to make the hole, fabric over the little blue disc, and I use the tool with the little hole in the centre, pop it in place, hold it steady, give it a couple of whacks. Now I've got a hole, and now I have the 4 parts. So that's the outer top. This piece then goes on top of it, and it's got a raised centre which goes down on top. Then I have the 2 back pieces. Again, I've got one with the protruding nub, and I've got the circular bit that goes on the top. So all this is on the instructions. So the first thing is to lay my disc down. So I'm going to lay it down with the big dish in the middle. Pop that on top, right side of fabric down over that hole, and make sure it fits on, and push the fabric down around the hole, and then place the second part on top, and then using the spreading tool, which has a little bubble on the end, put that inside there. Let's move these out of the way so they don't bounce up and down. Whap it with the hammer. And you need to hit it hard with the hammer. Keep checking to see that it's spread, and make sure you're working on a chopping board and a firm surface. If the table has some spring in it, it's harder to work. It does need to be a very firm surface, even the floor. So now that's spread, I'm ready to put on the other half in the next position. So again, I'm going to take my disc to make the hole. Of course, when you're doing this on an actual garment or bag or something, make sure you line up properly. I'm just doing it roughly here. And then work on the little silver thing. Now this time I've got the side which has got a little nub in the middle, so that the hole in the part C can fit into that. And I pop that down. Position that on top. Make sure it goes through the hole. And then place the disc on top of that. And again, with the spreading tool, which has got the little nub, I'm going to spread that inner hole. So that's now ready and fixed, and I can pop them together. Having tried it on the sample, I've now put one onto my tablet bag. So it's a really easy way of keeping my tablet safe and neatly inside the bag.